Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my makeup to go for a family dinner, and I'm feeling the fall vibes, the Halloween vibes, so I'm thinking why not go in with some Halloween themed makeup. Specifically the Colourpop Hocus Pocus. I bought both collections. I'm obsessed. My brows are in desperate need of a tidy up. So before going in with my brow glue to laminate my brows down, I'm just gonna pluck these hairs. The leaves outside my window have changed color, or they have begun to change color, so that to me suffices enough for it to be fall. And Starbucks just released their fall themed menu, and you just know I had to get a pumpkin spice latte, but I didn't want to drink 400 calories. And I know that you could do like half sweet and non-fat and use a different milk alternative, whatever, but it's still a lot. So I released my own little macro-friendly pumpkin spice syrup, and I make it every year. Usually I use it on like waffles, muffins. It's really good in overnight oats. Oh, tastes just like pumpkin pie. But anywho, I like to make it so that I can have pumpkin spice lattes at home. I actually posted the recipe on my Summer Home Designs Instagram. So check it out. Wiping off the excess glue, otherwise it will separate from your foundation. So I've set my eye with concealer, and now I'm going to go in with this gorgeous Hocus Pocus palette. I think I'm going to go in with these green shades. They're so pretty. Going in first with Salem, and I'm going to use that all over the lid. This is actually the mirror that also came with the palette. How cute. But I'm just taking that shade in circular motions all over the lid. Next, I'm gonna go in with the dark green shade Bewitched, and I'm gonna use it on both corners of my eye. Really getting your brush in the tear duct here in a little back and forth motion. Not going too high up the lid. We're gonna create a lot of depth and a halo effect. Just look how much bigger and deeper this eye looks. And now that we have that brown laid down first, it just helps diffuse this gorgeous green without leaving it looking harsh. You can see that we just have this space to fill. So I'm gonna take the shade Yabos and place that in the void here. So pretty. It's like a green with a bit of a bronze or gold in it. Now I'm gonna use the shade Wench on my inner corner. And brow. Going in with a daily moisturizer. Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Now going in with my cream contour palette, ABH. Now going in with my Summer Glow Beauty Velvet Matte Foundation, of course. It is sweat-proof, humidity-resistant, buildable full coverage, oil-free, has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E in it. It is amazing. So you already know I'm going in with that. I'm using shade F21. Why is there always a hair? So in other news, other than my pumpkin spice latte recipe, I am getting so excited to decorate for fall and Halloween. I've been sneaking in a decoration or two any chance I can get. But I'm officially going all out for Halloween starting September 1st. The countdown is on, 1 week left. Speaking of week left, the foundation I just used, the Summer Glow Beauty Velvet Matte Foundation, for 1 more week, the rest of August, you can get the setting powder, which I'm about to use next, for 10% off when you buy the foundation. We're going in with my matching setting powder. It is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores, and it is flashback proof, so no more ghosties in your pictures. Before I do this though, I have to do cream blush. I almost forgot. This foundation works so well with both cream and powder products. All right, going back in with that Hocus Pocus palette and back in with the shade Bewitched, doing the lower lash line. Doing my brows with the ABH Brow Wiz pencil in chocolate. Setting this skin in with Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. One more for good measure. Now I'm going to use the Clinique Lash Power Mascara. I love the wand. It just, I don't know, I like it for my lashes. I feel like it really coats them and brushes in between them. I unfortunately will not be wearing lashes as I'm still without contacts, and so since I'm wearing my glasses, I just don't like having my lashes hit, you know, my lens. Lining my lips with Colourpop Cosmetics. Petal Please. I need to sharpen this. ABH lipstick in Nude. And I'm adding some gloss because my lips are dry. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let me know what else you'd like to see on my channel. And there you have it, a green halo eye using a Halloween palette.